Hello and welcome to the Easy to Advanced Data Structures series, a complete guide to learning everything there is to know about data structures. My name is William and I will be your instructor throughout these videos. To begin with, a little bit about myself. My passion revolves around algorithms and data structures, which led me to becoming involved in lots of competitive programming. In 2017, I qualified for the ACMI-CPC World Finals programming competition. My current occupation today is as a software engineer for Google. I'm currently stationed in Mountain View, California at the head office. Now I want to talk to you about what you will be learning in this data structures course. First, you will see how data structures are represented visually through animations. Animations are an essential part of the learning experience, which is why all of my videos include animations accompanied by simple explanations. We will learn how to code various data structures together with simple to follow step-by-step instructions. For every data structure, we will be going over some working source code to solidify your understanding. I will also be posting various coding exercises and multiple choice questions to ensure that you can get some hands-on experience. For the data structures themselves, we will begin with the easiest and the most fundamental ones, and slowly start increasing the difficulty. We will begin with the dynamic array and then soon move on to the linked list, followed by the stack data structure, and finally the queue. Moving on to the intermediate data structures, we'll dive into the heap-based priority queue, followed by a personal favorite of mine, the union find, and lastly, binary trees and binary search trees, and what they are both good for. After this, we will look at advanced section, which will go into great depth on the hash table and multiple collision resolution techniques, as well as a lesser known data structure, the Fenwick tree, which boasts efficiency in range sum queries. Those are all the data structures I have for you at the moment, and I will keep adding more as time goes on, but there's already a lot out there for you to learn. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can join me in this Easy to Advanced Data Structures series.